No way!
No way!
No way!
No way!
No way!
Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, I had the bar like a blunt. They threw me out, but I'm like,
No way!
there we go. I think y'all got it. I think they got it.
Let's just throw this shit on real quick.
Yo! Put your fucking free hands up!
What?
Your fucking free I'm a the drug town. Try to stay down, man. But I'll tell you what my gun said. I'm top of the side. They think she the drug that. Oh no. Use a whiskey me. Oh what? The fuck back. I'm trying to cry like that she is the devil. But the weather, hell for the company. Girl in the bathroom. She not fucking me. Well, she not fucking me. But we got brushing teeth. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah. Close up, drinks blowing up, damn, where are my clothes? Shots on the floor, boxes on the purse, I'm talking on my nutsack, guess I made work. She knows fuck, all I know is driving in, we gon' make a porno tape and you're all fine with it. Lost on your mind and keep fighting. So devil and Satan, don't sign it. Get the fuck, back to the double. I'm telling what Broadway turns. He gets like a Merkle, waits like Joe. So we better throw them people like I'm so metal. Hell yeah, we got this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we got this party get drunk. Hell yeah, the ball at the blood. They threw me out, but I'm like, no way.
Oh shit, that girl is kind of
One more time, y'all. No way.
What? No way. No way.
I wanna hit it, but I couldn't find a rubber beat. Keep it all raised so that these stay tongue in cheek. But I'm crushing my keys, talking reasons with a 19-year-old Russian knees. The trees disaster, the trees action. I'm looking back for the sick man. Whiskey, my whiskey, please. I was born to step into a tune of deep now. I need some headroom. I need some headroom. I'm trying to hit it in the restroom. I'm talking nothing, they fucking, but someone nothing. I want to look up the phone to pick them with the best. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. No way. Drink, get through a box. Like drinking through the bubbles, I can root this for the boss. I'm in the cab, in a pickup truck. Jump, fuck you, jerk towards truck. Like a nigga, like a 20. Like a fucking dude, it's a hobby and stuff. Fuck you, Mr. Lady of the liquor. I'm around the fucker, I'm coming at the justice. Makes me a lucky, I'm a sitting jail. So true. Lights out, we roll up. She asked if we quit. One more time, hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. They threw me out, but I'm like, no way. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get drunk. Hell yeah, we had this party get blunt. They threw me out, but I'm like, no way. I'm like, what? Give it up for BS.
Happy birthday, BS.
Yeah!
Yo, make some noise for Rachet by nature. Happy birthday.